Good afternoon. Here is our agenda for today on Wednesday, October 7. There's a question in your classroom for this Wednesday. I think you'll like it. Go ahead and check that out and give it an answer for us. Our goal today was we were looking at, we read in our book, Different World Religions, and we wanted to analyze how religions influence world culture. We wrapped up our discussion from yesterday about formulating questions, and then we read pages 60 to 61 while completing some guided notes and review questions. That was the assignment. I think most students got them completed in class, so I don't think it'll take you too terribly long to read through the section and answer the questions that we have there for you. The questions, if I can get it pulled up here. The questions, should look like this. Be in your classwork. I'll go there to help you out there. Chapter 2, and then the assignments there for you. Chapter 2, section 3.2. And I have the guided notes and questions, the slideshow we used, and the textbook pages. So I think you should be able to read them. Yeah. And you should be able to, I think, maybe zoom in as well. So those are all there for you in the classroom. We'll discuss and share those tomorrow. So if you get that turned in, I should be able to take a look at that. And then tomorrow, we'll start reading the third section, which covers our economy. There's some interesting things in that section to read, but also some kind of rather big and difficult or maybe words or phrases that we're not really familiar with. So I'll try to have, again, a number of resources there for you to use and to read. So you have that available to you. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. But this should be there and ready for you to go. Have a great day. Bye.